Hey dear, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our first PhD to WordPress theme conversion tutorials and WordPress theme development tutorials from skills. So this tutorial will be very helpful for beginner who wanted to start your career as a WordPress theme developer. So you can continue this tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to open my Psd file. So this is my Psd file that I'm going to open, and also I'm going to show you the source of this Psd file from where I have downloaded this file. So I have downloaded this file from Environment, and I will share this file with you as you my subscriber and you are my audience. So don't worry about this Psd file, and let me check the picture of this Psd file. And the good things is that this file is built with Bootstrap Geek, so we can make it fully responsive using Bootstrap framework, so we don't need to worry about responsive design. Okay, so I have opened my Psd file. So here is the Psd file. I have already shared the preview in the opening or welcome tutorials. Okay, so as this one built with Bootstrap, so I have installed Bootstrap Geek apps here, and when I click on this Geek, that show me the column and row. Okay, so how can you add this picture in your Psd file or in your Photoshop, as this is for beginner and you are beginner learner, and you can do this. Just copy this line and search in Google, then you will find the first link in the Bootstrap Geek System Photoshop action. Click on here, then click on the download package. So if you using Bootstrap 4, then click on the here, and if you using old Bootstrap Geek, then you have to download this one. So I'm going to download Bootstrap 4 Geek system, then click on the download. So I have clicked on the download. My file has been downloaded. Now I am going to open this file. Here I have got two files, Bootstrap 4 Git system and another how to install Git. So I'm going to keep both files here at my desktop. Okay, so now going to open how to install file. So first of all, I have to go to my menu, Windows and Action in my Photoshop. So this is my Photoshop menu. Then click on the Windows, then click on the Action. Here is the Action pop-up box. Then I have to click on the Load Action. So I'm going to click on the this icon and click on the load action. Now I am going to select this file, Bootstrap 4 Git system. We have done. Okay, so we have installed Bootstrap Git system Photoshop action in our Photoshop software. So now we are ready to convert our file. So as this is not Psd to HTML tutorials, and we are not going to make 3-step tutorials like Psd to HTML then HTML to WordPress, because that will take too much time. So we are going to directly convert our psd file into WordPress theme. Of course we will use HTML, but not to make it different than HTML template. We directly convert that into WordPress theme. We need to set up our themes. To do this, first we need to run our WordPress in our local host. So I'm going to run my WordPress. I'm not going to start another new WordPress installation, because that will take too much time. So I'm going to exam control and work on my existing WordPress installation. Okay, so now we are going to log in my WordPress website, WP Coder, localhost, WP Coder, so we have logged in our dashboard. Then we need to start create our theme file. So to do this, first we need to go to our WP Coder directory, WP content, themes, and here we will go and make our theme folder. So what is my theme name or psd file name? My psd file name is drycore.inc. so okay, I'm going to open the psd file again. This file, to make a screenshot is pretty easy. Anyone can make a screenshot like me. So I'm going to drag and drop this file in here. Wow. And okay, now I think our screenshot is perfect. Just going to save this one. Go. Wow. We have done our screenshot. Now going to check my file in here. Okay, our theme is ready. Now going to click on the theme details. There is nothing, so we need to add theme details here. To do this, I am going to open my default 2020 file, style.css, and here I am going to add all the theme required information. Dry good screenshot. Okay, now we can add information from here. Theme name, dry good. Tags domain version 1.0. okay, and description we can copy from here. Or we can copy this description. we have added description. Now we're going to add tag, WordPress development. Okay, author, I'm going to put my name here, and author URL, I'm going to add my website URL here. Add this URL. Theme URL, simply going to add this. Now we no need to add more information right here, but we can keep this one as if you like. So I'm going to save this file and visit my theme details. Okay, looks good now. Draiku version 1, everything looks fine. Okay, we have added our theme, but we don't activate this theme. Now I am going to activate this theme. I have activated my themes. Now going to visit my website. So I see my website is currently blank. There is nothing, as we don't have added anything in my style.index.php file. So we have to add information in our style.php file. So this is my index.php file. So I'm going to open index.php file, and as we are making our website based on the bootstrap, so I'm going to bootstrap, click on the bootstrap. Now just simply click on the get started, and from here I am going to copy this starter template. Okay, so we have copied this starter template. Now I am going to save and check my website. I think we can see anything here. Okay, hello world. So here is the hello world. Now we need to work with our psd file. So first of all, we need to build a header, then we need build our footer, then we have to go to section by section, one by one. Okay, so I'm going to start working with my header. So our code started. First we need header, then we need container, as there are full header is white color, so we no need to any complex to make this same color, same row, and include everything in the same column. Container, and then div class, row, then div class call lg. What we need in the top section? 1 2 3 4. So we need 4 column in the row. So first we take call lg3. Here first we need to add logo. So I'm going to div class logo. Then of course we need a link in the logo, then img src. Okay, we have added the section for logo. Then we need font awesome icon and a bold title and text also right here, and here we need a button. So here we will add top info, top info. In the top info we had a icon, so we have to add icon from font awesome. So I'm going to my font awesome account, font awesome. So now I'm going to click on the start. Then I have recently used a kit, so going to click here, and here the link how to use. This is my font awesome script code. I'm just going to copy this one and going to add this link in here, and just simply make a note font awesome. Okay, we have done. So now we need to add our font awesome icon. So we can get this icon from here also. So we can use this icon as image. We can also use this one as font or some icons. So I'm going to use this one as image, as there is image. So just select this image and click on the temp, then click on the OK. Now I am going to save this image. In my C drive, desktop, this computer, C drive, examp, htdocs, iPcoder, content theme, Dryco. Here I am going to open a new folder name img. img, and here I will add map.png. okay, my map has been added. Now going to back again. So we need to add img here, img, then add our image here, and after img we need add information. So we need add h2, and we can add p here. okay, so now we need to add our image. So our image in the img folder, and map.png. okay, so to make it dynamic we need to add dynamic code. We have added our dynamic code here, and also we need to add logo here. So I'm going to trim this logo. Going to save this one, logo. okay, so here is my logo. Now I'm going to add my logo here. img folder, logo.png. okay, we have added our logo. Now I'm going to add same information right here. Then we can change the text and image, and here we need to add a button. In the button we need to write order now, and adding a class btn order now. okay, now I'm going to check my website. Wow, our information has come here, but we have to make it pixel perfect following our psd file. So to do this, first of all we need to start adding our css. So I'm going to add my css. So to add css, first I need to make dynamic my style.css file. So to make dynamic style.css file, I have to add dynamic code, and style css. okay, and we are ready to add our code here, implement. And first we need to make the different block, this image and this text. So to do this, we need to div class icon box, top icons or icon box. Then we can make another icon text. In the icon box we will put our image, and in the icon text we will put our address. Okay, so now we need to add our CSS. So I'm going to open my style.css file, and first we need add tab info, then we need icon box img icon text h2p. Icon box icon text icon box img, then icon text h2 and a p, h2 and p. Okay, now I am going to check my website. Just making the position top info. We need to save our style.css file also. We are going to work on the private browser. Now we are going to add this. So now we need to add the bottom. So I'm going to copy this bottom color and going to button here. Order now. Class name order now. Background color text comes from uppercase. Now going to check, looks good, and make border radius none, 0, pixel, Okay, we have set up this one. Now we need to make it pixel perfect. So to make it pixel perfect, let me check our current height and width right here. So there is 40 pixel space. Also in the same way, (35 pixel space). Okay, so on average we are going to add padding in the header padding 35 pixel and 0 pixel. Then I think that looks good. Wow. And now we need to change the icon. We're going to change this icon. Click on the theme, then going to save email icon. So I'm going to add here email icon, map this one email icon. Wow, looks good. Now we need to keep this one in the little bit middle. So now we need to add a navigation and menu right here. So in the next tutorial we'll add navigation and menu and also slider section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then click on the like button. Have a nice day. Bye bye.